making real money on social media, especially Facebook, and you are there yapping and dropping insulting and negative comments in their comment sections why they are making money. Well, I don't blame this your present life. Now your future they pity, because how come in 2026 some of you still did not know how to create a Facebook page or even own one? But you know all the TikTok trends, Instagram gist, Facebook gossips, and Telegram updates like a pro. Like you just come this life to come to waste your time, abi how? Anyways, continue. But this is 2026 and time waits for no one. Oh yeah, sit down. Since you're too lazy to learn, let me show you the easiest and fastest way you can create your own Facebook page with just that mobile phone you're watching me from right now. So let's get started. But before then, this is Team Tinash Barbies, and since you're seated already and ready to learn, please use 1 second to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, comment in the comment section, and share the video, because as I dey help you, you self suppose help me. Abi no be so? So in this tutorial, just make sure you have your phone fully charged, connected, and of course a Facebook account, which I assume you already have if you're watching me from Facebook. And if not, then you need a Facebook account to actually create a Facebook page. And please forget about this jaga jaga background and let's just get to my phone screen.
So guys, the very first thing you want to do is to open the Facebook app and make sure you are logged in. Go to the menu and tap these 3 lines. On Android, top right, and on iPhone, bottom right. This drop down menu will appear and you can tap on pages. If you don't see it immediately, tap on see more, then tap on pages. Tap create and then choose create a new page and then tap on next. Type in your page name right here. I will just go with Tinash Hub. This is just an example, Tinash Hub. And once you do that, you can type on next. And note, use a name people can always remember easily and that matches what you do or what fits the brand you're trying to build. Though you can always change the name later. And once you do that, like I said, you tap on next. Always make sure you give it some time depending on your connection. So here they are asking what category best describe Tinash Hub. Remember the name I put before, so they are asking what category really describes me. Maybe you are into digital creation, music or band, health or beauty, grocery store, blogger, public figure, education, business, whatever. Most of the times you will see the list right here. Like you can see musician or band, you can see health or beauty, you can see grocery, you will see them here. But if you don't see them, you just have to type them out in here. So here, for example, I will just go with health or beauty. You can choose up to 3 categories, whatever category you fall under, maybe a blogger, maybe content creator, whatever. Just type them out and then tap on this search button, search it, and it will appear just like this. Next thing you want to do is to tap on create. At this point, you have already created your page, but you can't create your page without adding in your bio, which is very important, but it's optional. But I advise you always add your bio. Like you can see here, they say success, you have created Tinash Hub. Now add more details to help people connect with you. Now we go to general. As you can see, they say describe what your page is about. All you need to do right here is to write a short description about your page. So as you can see, I have entered my bio, which is helping women learn, grow, and make money online. This is just an example. Under contact right here, you should add your website if you have one, but if not, it's still fine. But at least add an email or mobile number so brands or potential customers can reach you just in case. So for website, you can add the website. If you have, you can add your email, like I said, mobile number, optional. For location, add at least your city or town. But for address and zip code, I don't advise you add them yet. Once you have filled in the necessary boxes here, then tap on next. Now it's time for you to upload your profile picture or your logo, and it should be very clear. For creators, I will advise you use your face, and for business, use your logo. You can as well skip this part and add them later, but I recommend you add them now. Also upload a cover photo or a banner image that can include like your niche, your brand name, or what you do. That is just an example. For me, I don't want to put anything, like I said. I'm just trying to demonstrate to you guys. And of course, cover photo is like your shop signboard. And once you have done all of that, just tap on next. And congratulations to you, your page is now live. So this is a page I just created. As you can see, I do not put any profile picture, but you can see this big thing. You have just created your Facebook page, and of course you may want to switch between your profile and your page. To do that, just tap on your profile picture. Once you tap on your profile picture, you will see this drop down arrow or switch account depending on your phone. Tap on the drop down arrow right here or switch account. Now, since I want to go back to my main account, I will just look for my account here on this menu. My main account is this one, so I will just go back to my main account. Tap on it. Now I'm on my main account, and that's how you switch from your profile to your page or from your page to your profile, just like that. Let's do it again one more time. So if you want to switch from your main account to your page or from your page to your main account, all you need to do is tap on your profile picture, whether it's your page or your account. Tap on the profile picture, then you will tap on this drop down arrow or switch account depending on your phone. Tap on the drop down arrow. Once you tap on it, this menu will appear. On the menu, you will see the page. You can create as many pages as possible. You just tap on the page you want. Now, this one I just created, Tinash Hub. I will just tap on it, and that's it. I'm on the new page I just created. And if I want to go back to my other page, which this one is just an example, I have to delete this one because I don't need the page. This was just an example for you guys to see. So if I have to go back to my main Facebook page, I will still tap on my profile picture, tap on the arrow, and then go back to my main Facebook page, which is Team Tinash Barbies. This one right here. I will just tap on it. And here I'm on my Facebook page. You actually do not need more than one phone if you are a beginner to create a Facebook page. You can just switch from your account to your Facebook page, from your page to your account, just like that. Easy peasy. And here I just came back to the page we just created. So you can now post photos, videos, upload reels, invite friends to like your page and monetize later.
Now that you have watched the complete video and with all that detailed explanation, I hope you can now create your own Facebook page and also switch from Facebook account to your Facebook page. And on that note, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, comment, like, share, subscribe, or follow if you're watching from Facebook. And welcome to the gang of begging people to interact with your content, because as you do for me, that's what them go do for you. So congratulations once again, and bye.